Hey everyone, I'm Julie the Parrot on Passion with Joy. I am at Waaffa and Mike's Cafe. Literally, first time coming, I pass by all the time. Thus far, I'm very highly impressed. The ambiance, the people, this beautiful cafe here. It's a hidden gem. It's just a beautiful scenery inside and out. Let's look.
No, we usually, so now Ramadan just ended yesterday, so we'll be doing specials usually on Saturday. Okay. So our first one, I think he said he's going to do lamb, so we'll be doing lamb burgers this Saturday coming up, and then next Saturday I believe we're doing tacos, and all these are his own recipes. Oh, wow.
I'm looking.
Hi, how are we?
Hello.
I thought we were supposed to come to the
No. Okay. We nice. We come to you.
Okay.
Two sides. So one of them could be tabbouleh, fattoush, Greek salad, Caesar salad.
It's a beautiful ambiance.
You guys' presence.
It's the presence. Thank you so much.
Sometimes you go to restaurants, they make you feel like you're not wanted.
Right.
Beautiful.
You know, I don't want to feel that way.
No, who
I'm
does?
not going there.
How can you enjoy your eating experience if you're already uncomfortable by the time you walk in the door? Like, oh
It's like,
wow.
what it is?
Yeah.
Nice, clean.
It's beautiful, gorgeous. I love the ambiance. Yes, the ambiance is gorgeous. I love it. I love it. Alright. Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Wow, I love this place. The ambiance. So let me announce this. My little sister Jarrell, she told me about this place. I had to check it out. My mom passed by all the time. So this is a hidden gem. Beautiful ambiance. The arrangement, the music. It's everything. The chef, the server, the owner. They are beautiful. Waaffa and Mike's Cafe. Good prices, really great prices. Really fulfilling menu. And it's very simple but elegant. Very simple and elegant. On today's episode, I have ordered the WMC burger. It's come with like a special sauce, grilled onion, Parmesan cheese. Sounds delicious. And I think you got the gyro fries that comes with everything that comes in a gyro sub. And it's just on fries. So can't wait to try this food. This place is, I'm already can't wait to eat it. Like, it's homemade from scratch, like the best ingredients. I just can't wait for to taste it. Thank you. So this is like a Mediterranean theme, as you can see. So this is a real deal, guys. They are so cool. They let me walk around. But I love this place already. It just lets you feel like home, and it's very nice vibe. Love it here. I'm about to sit down and get my drink. I have an Arnold Palmer. Everything's freshly brewed. Oh, what more do you want, y'all? What more do y'all want? Here's the chef back there. The chef back there cooking. All right.
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah. You want a Sprite?
It's like at the top.
You don't have to have you can do tea by itself. Okay, here is the freshly brewed Arnold Palmer, one of my favorite drinks to drink. This is fresh lemonade, homemade, and freshly brewed tea with rose water. Let me take a sip. I'm about to take a sip, guys. Oh, guys, this place is right on Main Street. It's really in this like hidden area, but it's really beautiful inside. All right, here goes the tea. This is the Arnold Palmer. I'm not gonna mix it. I'm gonna drink it just like this. Refreshing. This is good. Now I'm gonna mix it. Perfect. It's a great taste. Wow. This is real refreshing. Because most Arnold Palmers are just store-bought teas, but this is, you taste the brew and the homemade fresh lemonade, squeezed lemonade. This is perfect. We mix it together. Okay, I'm tasting it. Perfection. Perfection in the glass. Well, just explain real quick. Like the tea is, I'm just trying to explain. The rosemary water inside the tea.
It's just rose water.
Rose water inside the tea is the rose water inside the tea is very refreshing. You can taste, you can smell it, you can taste it right now. I still taste it. It's really, really good. Very refreshing. I'm hooked. I think I'm hooked. I'm very hooked. This is one of the best Arnold Palmers, probably the best Arnold Palmers I've ever had in my life. It's very refreshing. I'm trying to drink all this, but this is so delightful. Very light, very fulfilling, very refreshing. It gives you the sense of okay, this is a really refreshing drink. This is probably one of the most refreshing drinks I ever had. Goodness, this is great. You gotta try the Arnold Palmer here. Excellent. The music, the ambiance is beautiful. I feel calm.
You got a name?
This is the WMC burger, and it is it's hitting my nose. Oh my god, it smells amazing. So it's arugula, lettuce. I'm gonna take the top off. I'm not gonna eat it. Oh, do y'all see the smoke? Oh my god. So it has grilled onions, Parmesan cheese, and arugula.
Parmesan.
It smells. It's in my nose right now. Oh my god, you can smell from there. Look at this. Look at this. I can't wait to bite it. Look at the onions, the grilled onion. Oh my god. Look at this. Okay, I'm about to bite this burger. I can't. This is what I ordered, but my other food is coming. But guys, check this out. Look how gourmet, but yet fabulously beautiful. This just looking at it, but the smell. I can't wait to tear into this burger. All right, guys, just one more shot. One more. This is a money shot right here. Made by the chef. Oh, some more food coming. Oh wow. Oh wow. Thank you. That smells. Oh, I'm about to go crazy. Thank you. Look at these fries. These are the gyro fries. Look. Can y'all see that? Oh my god. It smells so amazing. So this is like, so these are the gyro fries, guys. Look how gorgeous this is. And the smell is really in my nose. Oh my god. This smells amazing. I'm going to go ahead and bite the gyro. This is the gyro. Oh my god. Mommy, you take that. Oh my god. It's a falafel gyro fries.
Gyro.
I think it's Mommy gonna be my video. I think it's tzatziki. Oh, they got what's that right there? That feta. It has feta cheese on it. It's so good. My mom tasted it already. Look, y'all. These fries are extra perfect. I'm a fry person. This is perfect. I'm gonna dip it inside the sauce. I think it's tzatziki sauce. You fine? You good? No, you're good. It's not even showing. I'm trying to show it, but this is whatever's come on a gyro on fries. So this is whatever come on your gyro on fries.
What's that?
Oh my god. Oh my god. It's like a loaded fries with times two. This is my mom. This is really good. And I taste it. It comes on, it has feta on it. Feta cheese. Hero. I need more lime. Look at this too. More. That's supposed to taste. I'm not even dying. That's what you like. This is feta. Oh my god. Beautifully charred. Oh my god. I'm waiting for my mom to. This is tzatziki sauce.
She could go. I'm gonna eat it all myself. She could
Do we have
go.
some?
She could go.
I'm gonna take yours.
She could leave.
I should enjoy your food. I want to eat all of it.
Yeah.
This is excellent. Oh my god.
Let's move this stuff out the way in the middle. Yeah, move that out
That
your
is
way.
excellent.
Put that right on down. I got plates for y'all.
Oh, man.
Oh my god. Look at
This
this
goes with
peanut butter.
yours.
Thank you.
This is your watermelon. I know you want to put it.
Put it right.
Alright guys, I'm gonna try the burger.
Okay, so
I'm gonna bite my burger. I'm gonna cut it. So y'all can see. I'm gonna cut it in fours.
yeah, about how many?
Get this sauce in.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Thank you.
You are. And here's more bread at the table.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And the beef warm is coming up next, okay?
Thank you so much. Oh my god. Okay. I have a.
You think it's so juicy?
This the best. For real. We been going out.
Ew.
This is his chicken. Come on.
Oh my god.
We been going out.
I'm having a food gasm.
What are you ready for his chicken?
I'm having a food gasm.
Lee, you want to try his chicken?
I'm sorry. I'm having a food gasm.
She running it. She already know.
Londa, Lee. Here, please.
Alright.
I know you're ready.
This is a chicken. This is a shawarma. We have just two. Oh my god. Perfectly cooked. Good char on it. And then it's very juicy. This is my little sister's dish. She has, what's your dish called?
It's the Waaffa shawarma.
Waaffa shawarma.
Yeah.
And it's chicken.
It's their signature dish.
Their signature dish. One of their signature dish is what I have. And it's right here. It's chicken shawarma. Oh my, oh my god. Oh my god. That's bursting with flavor too. Oh my god, I love that taste.
So juicy.
It's super juicy, but oh my god, like the cream. Yeah, this is a hidden gem. This is the best Mediterranean food I ever had. I'm not just talking
For real.
for real, for real, for real, for real. Y'all need to come here for real. This is a hidden gem. Can't get no better than this. Mmm. I don't, wow. Okay, I'm taking a bit. This is excellent. Good job, Earl.
Yes. Oh my god. So good.
Let me see.
Of course, it tastes.
Okay.
Oh my god.
This is probably one of the best burgers I ever had.
This is the best.
The best Mediterranean. And this is one of the best burgers I ever eaten. And I have eaten a lot of Mediterranean places. Overall, this is one of the best foods I had in the Mediterranean period.
I gotta go to the beach.
Oh my god, look at this. This is perfect. This is perfection.
I'm gonna give you a standing ovation in a minute.
Yeah.
I'm about to stand.
You say the chef outdid himself. It didn't take less than 15 minutes to make our orders. It was quick and fast, great service. Oh my god, this food is extra. Oh my god, hidden gem. Let me tell you what people feel. We'll take care. A little hummus. Little piece of something. Y'all say something. Oh my god, we got some back.
It's like
This food is excellent. The falafel. Oh my god. That's it. This is the best Mediterranean food I ever
I
had.
don't know where to start digging, but I'm moving.
I don't know where to start or where to begin. This is perfect. Everything's seasoned perfection. The food is cooked perfection. Everything is just perfect. I can't explain no further. Look at this falafel.
Is this like Mediterranean heaven?
And it's crunchy on the outside. Moist in the inside. And it's very hot. All the food is hot. Now some food is not. This food is super hot. And it takes forever to cook. And we have a party of 5. Everybody has different food, different individual foods. This is I cook one chef here. It is excellent. Let me taste your pita bread. I'm gonna have to give me another thank you, babe. This is the pita bread. Buy this, everything's homemade from scratch. Get a little hummus. A little hummus on my pita bread. Look at this. This is authentic Mediterranean. You got somebody. Everything I have is so good. Lately, we have been making the best choices. No complaints. But this, thus far, the best Mediterranean food I ever had. I'm gonna eat some more of my fries, and I'm getting full, guys. Hands down, this is the best Mediterranean here in Jacksonville, Florida that I ever tasted. Y'all come out.
Thank you, Chef.
Thank you, Chef.
Awesome.
Hey, Chef.
Oh my God.
Chef.
You deserve a standing ovation.
Yes.
You did that. This is the best Mediterranean. Oh my God, what's that? Oh,
Chef.
What's
Oh my
his
God.
name? What's the chef's name?
Hussein.
who's saying?
Chef Hussein.
Oh Lord, that looks good.
Chef Hussein. Can you? We don't have to. Can you come to the bar?
We just want to say,
Washing his hands.
Okay, yes.
oh my God.
Everything.
Yes, yes. This is perfection. I've been here all the time, y'all. I gotta come back. I haven't come back. The food's so good. It don't make no sense. I think my light is. You see all this? All this is going in my. I'm about to tear it out. So freaking good.
Yeah.
This is a 5-star experience. The whole experience.
Yes. I understand.
Your tzatziki sauce is so. These tastes. Other places taste commercial. A lot of places taste commercial. This tastes everything homemade, authentic from scratch. How I love my food from authenticness. I love. This is nothing but flavor. Flavor on top of flavor on top of flavor. It's nothing but flavor on top of flavor. They didn't miss a beat here. They didn't miss a beat. One thing about this, it's not dry. A lot of burgers are dry. You gotta add a lot of sauce. I didn't put nothing on my burger. It's like perfection. It's juicy. I love it's a pan fry. The garlic, the parmesan, the sauce. It's like a sauce on here, a special sauce, but it complements the burger. It's nothing. Everything complements each other. Everything complements the grilled onion. See that? It's juicy. This is how burger's supposed to be. It has to be juicy. I won't change anything about this burger. I will order this burger again and again and again. I will order these fries again and again. I will order this drink again and again. I will order all this all the time. And the chicken here, even though it's not my food, I taste other food and I sampled. It's perfectionly cooked. It's perfectly seasoned. It's just overall perfect. Like I can't explain. And the ambiance is very calm and chill. This is what more can you ask for? And they're inviting, very inviting. I'm not even talking, not talking about butt. I'm talking for real. Overall, this is a phenomenal. I'm using everybody's words, but this is a phenomenal overall spot. You couldn't do. You have to try it. I'm in love with this place.
I had tried the rose water. It was just like that people.
I'm getting full.
Listen, when you came, you know what you said? You said, I'll come in here to see if you're nice.
My family sent me here.
Right, my family sent me here to see if you're nice. We already got that. Now you're tasting the food.
Yes.
Oh my
That's
God.
something else.
This is the
This is
best.
the best.
I'm telling you, we've gone Southside, Riverside.
everywhere.
This is the best.
The best.
Ever, I promise you.
Yeah.
That's what the people that said.
Oh, I have got to
People
get
lie.
there. They won awards here, guys. So I'm gonna show you how the plaque. I can't go back there, but can I see it? It's a plaque. They won awards. The people voted.
Yeah, I want to make sure I don't get it mixed up.
Thank you. I'm stuffed. I'm done. Hey, Chef. Okay, I think I'm good. Whew.
When they get later,
I'm flabbergasted. I'm coming back again. This is one of the best food experiences. Again, I say it, I mean it, and it's real. So y'all come here, get you a platter or any of their signature dishes, and I promise and guarantee you will not be disappointed. I'm stuffed. I'm just I'm at a awe.
I'm like,
I'm great. I feel great. Oh, you feel great?
I was like, my instincts like, no, people be great. I knew it.
I knew it.
I looked at a small box with
Yes. Thank you. Thanks, Jarrell, for New York.
trying to get all this. Yeah, well, you'll see us. We're regulars.
Yes, so you will see us all the
time.
time.
Well, with Southside, we don't have to go to Riverside. This
The best
I'll
stuff.
tell you, this is
Everything with seasoned perfection,
Oh my God.
cooked perfection. Wonderful. Oh my God, this is excellent.
Oh my gosh, we thought that was authentic, but
This is
Yeah.
authentic.
authentic.
This is
We
really,
had
really
a
authentic. You got
highly
it.
impressed.
Yes. I'm serious. It was so good. I'm about to cheer up because it's so good.
Yeah.
I'm a true food. We are foodies.
We are real
We're
foodies.
real
I'm a food reviewer, so
Yeah, we love food.
yes. Is he on?
Don't try to move out the way.
Put it on him.
I'm trying to get this stuff out the way.
You are
Can't see
doing.
it.
I'm trying to make sure it's down.
you'll see us more often.
Yes.
Yes. Tell him about that.
It's way better than like, especially after the end of 2016, 17. It was like it grew up a lot.
Hi.
So
Oh, okay. No problem. I got it. We got it.
It's just that this one's blocking.
The in that cup. That's fine. We got it. He is awesome. Chef, you sing? Oh my God. What chefs come from behind the counter to talk to first timers? He already has an award for best Mediterranean spot in Jacksonville. He came all the way from the back to talk to us, me and my family. So I'm fine. I'm honored. This is where it's at, guys. You gotta check out this place. It's like literally the best overall. I love any place I go to, but this was the best Mediterraneans ever. And also the treatment is awesome. And here, guys, this is let you know the address.
I'll give you some.
At Waaffa and Mike's Cafe. Make sure you come here. It's right here on Main Street. Come here. Don't take my word for it. You take your word for it. I'm telling you, I'm a person who loves food, real foodie. My whole table loves food.
Spoiled. I just want you to
Very spoiled. Oh.
Come here Saturday, get the lamb.
Oh.
We'll be here Saturday.
Oh,
We'll be here Saturday.
We'll be here
We got
We'll be back. Ooh. Oh my God. We'll be here Saturday. Guys.
I'm about to put it for lamb.
Lamb. Okay. They sell lamb here on Saturdays.
Saturday.
Oh my God. Saturdays, guys. Just come.
Pick 'em
Just come. If you're a visitor, a out of town visitor, come enjoy yourself. This is the place. I feel great at home, relaxed. The food is the best. Come here. Just come. I'm telling you. I don't know what I'm saying.
Okay.
Hopefully we go back to Saturday specials because I haven't done anything.
Oh yeah, we already heard about the Lamberts. We making our.
Oh, pre-ordering.
Yeah. We're gonna pick up before we got a small.
Thank you.
So we can get off at 6. So we're gonna call you early to say, hey, make our.
I'm gonna get to my mom.
Grab her. Should we get a to-go cup? Do you want a to-go cup as well?
Yes, please.
Grab you both to-go cups.
Thank you. This for you. He gave it to you. Okay, I want to put it on the table.
It's not just Lamberg, like we do a lot of specials, like aluminium, like something different.
Mine. Move your cup. The big cup.
Like just me and Hannah here. So in order to grab everything for Saturday, because anything I do aluminium requires more stuff from outside that I don't have.
Right, I understand.
Sometimes I do hot fairs, like they say fusion, like my chicken. But
Yes. Thank you. Hey.
Yes. If not before. Seriously. It was. When I tell you, it was delicious. I'm going on Yelp, Google.
Excellent.
Everybody talking about they need to come over.
For real.
So you're gonna be overwhelmed. Oh my God.
Hi guys, so definitely wanted to let you guys shout out to the chef at Waaffa and Mike Cafe. So I want to say this real quick. I promise you guys will not be disappointed. Waaffa and Mike Cafe is literally a hidden gem. There's so many hidden gems, but definitely the ambiance was 100%. The food was 100%. The atmosphere, the quality, the service, the food is great prices for the authenticness. They give you a good amount, a lot of food that you can take home, and for the price is a great. You can't beat the price, and also it's so clean inside. It's super clean. The atmosphere is like the music is so soothing. Everything I ate on the menu is 100% like, the best. Also, to let y'all know the quality, you're going to get a lot of food. And you can bring home a lot of food. And for the price of it, definitely, guys, is a bang for your buck. You're getting worth your money, getting worth your time, and you're getting everything that you need in one restaurant. And the service there, and as well as the chef, they sit there and talk to you. Y'all can see in the video, they really sat there and taught us and made us feel like we're at home. Literally highly professional, but yet upscale. You have a fine, like a 5-star dining, and literally like I'm going back, and I'm really going back. I want to bring more people with me. I hope you guys. I want to see you there. So if y'all don't know, please check it out. It's like the best. The seasoning, everything, the spices, it's phenomenal. And I'm telling y'all, please go out there and see for yourself, and definitely give them love. They're gonna give you love. And I would love to talk to you guys and see you guys next time. Again, thank you for watching my channel. You can contact me on my Gmail, which is passionwithjoyclub@gmail.com. And definitely if you want to do any collabs or anything such as me doing a review or review your product, I would love to do that. It has to be legit business, and I want to make sure any business I will do a review on. You have a lounge, a bar, a restaurant. If you know suggest any restaurants or places or lounges, a tapa, any type of service or any customer service that you want me to review, I would definitely want to do that with you, or go to it or anywhere you want me to go. So just let you know, I'll collab as well as come out and check out any spot that is good. And you let me know. You can go ahead and Gmail me, and I would love to see. I would love to try it out and do a review. But guys, thank y'all so much for watching. For real, I appreciate you guys. Have a great, positive, productive day. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.